Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations with my daughter.
Sherry.
And we are going to bring you, actually this is a unboxing. Yeah, we're bringing it. So I joined it for this year, and it is the Bella Rose videos. Is that what it is? Quilts. Bella Rose quilts.
Quilts.
All right, so it's upside down. It got damaged. Hopefully there's nothing in there that can be broke.
Nah.
And it looks like this.
It went clink, 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 clink if it did, so.
Looks like that. So let's take a look. Let's just lift it right out of the box, can we?
Go ahead.
Okay.
Oops.
Oh. Uh-oh, candy fell out. What is that? Magic Morsels. Ooh, raspberry swirl. Oh, it's a brownie. Look at that.
Oh, okay.
Look at that.
Well,
okay.
I didn't think it was a big chocolate bar.
I had no clue what it was. I think I just tightened my bow here. Uh-oh, we have a squeaky toy.
Oh, good. At least he hasn't found the chicken.
You don't have to whisper. I don't think he knows what it
I
is.
don't know. When I was teasing him, I said, it's Combo Sunday. He got all excited and started running around the living room.
Alrighty. Let's see what we have. Ooh, a couple of things.
Pretty
All
paper.
Right. Yes. Now, this is my first time that I'm getting this box. It says, welcome. There you go. It says subscription boxes ship every other month. January, March, May, July, September, November. Of course, it shipped in January, but I got it in
February.
Right. And
it's like a trick question.
It says their highly anticipated Advent box is available for pre-order now, and it's already more than halfway sold out. Reserve yours before it's gone. Of course, I don't know when they published this, so if this was published in January, they may be gone by now. Coming soon is their Freedom Box, featuring a quilt pattern nearly 20 years in the making. Trust us, you don't want to miss this labor of love. And then it says you are cordially invited Sunday, February 23rd at 12 p.m. And then there's a virtual retreat. The Zoom link will be posted in the Facebook group and emailed beforehand, whoever's going to join or come to it. And coming soon, a quilt kit for a spring house. And then it says lives. Join us live on Tuesdays and Thursdays, 5 p.m.
Pacific
time on Facebook, Instagram, website, or download our free app. And I don't know the difference between, is Pacific time what Karen is, or do you
Central
know? She's
is
Central?
What Karen is.
All right, what's Pacific? California time? Or, see, I have no idea. I know Eastern, Central, maybe Pacific is California. I don't know. But this is Portofino Garden. And it says, hello, quilting friends. We just wanted to take a moment to welcome you personally, whether it's the first box or the 10th. It's my first. We hope to bring the same joy and excitement to each. Alrighty, so thank you for being a subscription box society. Your support means the world to us. Warmly, Sandy and the Bella Rose team. And here's what's inside. So I'm just going to show you the picture. That's what it says is inside. So let's take a look. Shall we? Okay, so we have a little bag, non-see-through, and it is, ooh, a seam ripper. That's a little one. Are they all in that size? That's a Clover brand.
Yes, they're all small. Well, even the ones that come with your sewing machine, the little mini
I
sewing
know
kit, those are tiny.
But I feel like this is smaller than normal. It's just, it could just be me.
Well, you have bigger ones though.
Okay,
so this Ergo or whatever they're called.
No, I meant this Clover one.
I don't know. It looks small to me too, but that could just be.
I don't know. But anyway. Oh, and then we have something called Time Tech Thimble Tape.
Femtech. THIMTEC. Femtech.
So you pull it out.
You tape your finger.
Tear it off. Oh, yeah. Let's show you the picture there.
Thimble tape.
Those that need a thimble.
Instead of having a thimble, you just tape it around your finger, and then it works as a thimble.
And it looks like, so the texture of it looks like those real thick Band-Aids.
Yeah.
That's what it looks like.
Actually, it looks like when you go to a doctor and you have your blood drawn or whatever, and they put the cotton ball and then they put that tape, hospital tape.
That's what it looks like. You can. There you go. That's a good idea what it looks like. Okay. Wow. Okay, that's something I didn't know existed.
Hopefully it doesn't rip your finger off like it does
Here,
your arm.
you can open the next package.
I don't want to tear the sticker. All right, so in this beautiful little bag, like a little candy bag, it has a
Valentine's Day.
Huh?
For Valentine's Day. Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Oh boy, I didn't even notice that.
No, what is this? Another thing I don't know.
Tharshi Blows USB desktop blower. Oh my gosh. Great for desktops, keyboards, and small crevices. Blow them away. Blow them all away. Dust, crumbs, snippets, and more. And it has a USB power cord. Look at that. It looks like a little mini hairdryer, like a micro hairdryer. And in the back of it, the on and off button, and then that's the USB. Neat. That is cute.
Well, there's a bingo card in here, and for all of those that know why, you can make a comment, because like I said, since this is my first box, I do not know anything about why that bingo card would be in there. And I don't see anything on the paperwork that explains it.
I guess you better be watching her lives on, what days are they again?
Tuesday and Thursday.
There you go.
Okay, so we have a spring house clue. That's that pattern.
Okay, I think I got too close to the cats again.
Oh, okay.
My left eyes. My eyelash is starting to stick.
That's a pattern, and I believe this pattern is, we'll get one pattern every time that we get a boxing, and then at the end of the year, we'll have a pattern to put a quilt together. So that's clue 1 for that. Okay, let's open this. So here is the main thing. This is
the main attraction. Here it comes. Yes. Here, I thought it was the treat.
A treat. Okay, here is the fabric. So it's Portofino Garden table topper, or a baby for a 30 by 30 inch, or a lap 43.5 by 43.5, or a throw. So you can make it any size you want. Ariel and Ava quilts. This is what it will look like.
Just checking. And make sure you have your toy.
And what's the fabric on this? Let's see.
Probably on the paper. I don't know.
I don't know either. Let's see.
Oh boy.
I believe that's fig tree, but I don't see where it says that. See, I'm at a loss because I don't know what all the different fabrics are. Is that what it is, fig tree?
I'm looking.
Tell us? Let's take it out so they can take a look at it. I think
pattern designed by, oh, that's the pattern.
I think that's what this is. I believe that's what that, I think that's what
Here
the
it
is. What is it?
Cover quilt features fabrics from the Portofino collection by Fig Trees and Company for Moda Fabrics and Supplies. There
we go. Okay. Oh, now this here is a strip of these. So grab you a little handful there of fabric, and we'll show you some more. Make sure it's high up to see. Now that looks like it's one section, but it's a whole bunch of strips.
Okay, hang on a second here.
Oh, same thing with you. A bunch of different strips.
No, I just picked up 2. Oh, no, wait.
Yeah, it is.
I don't know how to talk. Okay. So there's this one. Then there's this one.
Yep, that's 4 of them.
Yeah, that is 4. I thought it was only 2.
Yeah, no.
No, there's 5, because after this one here, there's... Nope, that's the same.
No, they're different.
Is it?
Yep, they're different.
Oh, it is. One small one. Yeah.
Well, one had pears on it, and one's got flowers, roses.
Okay.
Or smaller little buds.
All right, and then... nope, didn't quite get it. Hang on. And then it's got the brown.
And then here's in the yellow. And then it goes into orange.
Oops, excuse me.
There you go. And these are width of the fabric is what it looks like. Okay. And you've got another one?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah, it is 5. I just want to make sure that there were 5 and I didn't miss one when I showed it earlier. Well, goodness gracious. Okay. So you got this one.
That's a pretty orange.
Yeah. And then this one. Similar to the brown one I just showed.
Yeah.
Yeah. And that one. And that color is like a
peachy sort of.
Orangish peach.
Salmon, but it looks orange. It looks different in the camera.
I know,
than
it looks
does in purpose.
brown.
Back it up a little bit.
It's not brown. It's
no,
it doesn't look right. It might once the
video
once
goes
we
up.
watch it. Right.
Well, that's a heck of a chance. The video going up. We'll talk about that.
I didn't say going up. I said just watching it. I like that. That's very nice. I like that. That's pretty. And then you got this itty bitty little. What is that? Again, it's so teeny tiny. Little squares.
4 little squares together.
And
looks
little
like
green dots in between them. That's nice. I like that too.
And then here's my last section here.
Oops, I flick it on my face in a minute.
And then this color, which is sort of a mustard.
Oh yeah, I like the other one. That it matches. It's the
all
same
those
as this.
that had babies and changed diapers. That's this color.
Look,
That's what this is called.
Never mind.
Y'all know what I'm talking about. Those breastfed babies, boy.
Gosh, that was messy.
All right, that's what it is. It's sort of a mustard yellow type, whatever.
It works on the fabric, though.
Yeah, it does. And it has 4 dots, but it's in a square. So, all right, we'll lay it all out here for y'all to see. But real quick, let's talk about the videos. I don't know when this video is coming out because I'm having an issue with my internet. And by issue, I mean it is taking a week to get up one video. I have really, really had a hard time getting my videos up. But I'm going to show it all laid out here on the table as soon as we can move some of the stuff around because I got my table full of other stuff to do my next video. Okay.
And there's nothing in the booklet about your bingo card? Like,
no,
really?
there was nothing. There was absolutely nothing. So that's why I said, anybody that's had her stuff before, I need to know what the bingo card is about. Okay. I mean, I'll hold on to it. I'm not trashing it, but I don't know what it's... And it doesn't say on it anywhere. It just says American Games. And it's the number of the card right there. Yeah, so I don't know.
That's so
Alrighty,
weird.
here's everything that came into the box. Came into the box. I like that spring house pattern. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Make a comment about that bingo card. If anybody knows anything about that bingo card, I really appreciate it. And I will see you all next time. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.